The new ClearShield Eco-System, the solution for problem glass. Glass is all around us in the home and, when new, looks stunning. However, keeping glass surfaces such as windows, doors, skylights and conservatory roofs looking like new can be difficult and frustrating. Dirt, tree sap, traffic film and building runoffs all spoil the look of sparkling glass, which then can turn into problem glass. Problem glass is any glass that has lost or is at risk of losing its visibility, clarity and cleanability. The new ClearShield Eco-System is the solution. This award-winning system protects glass from dirt, grease and germs, leaving a non-stick surface that is easy to clean and keep clean. The ClearShield Eco-System is proven on some of the most weather and dirt-beaten glass in the world, oil drilling platforms in the North Sea, super yachts and cruise ships around the world, and some of the most iconic skyscrapers on the planet. The ClearShield Eco-System can be applied to windows, doors, skylights and conservatories before or after installation, so you don't have to miss out. We also provide a full range of aftercare products to maintain the original visibility, clarity and cleanability with minimum time and effort. The new ClearShield Eco-System, the only complete Eas-Clean system for renovation, non-stick protection and maintenance of windows, doors, skylights and conservatories. Ask your supplier today.